This tutorial river will show you how to export 4K video in Premiere Pro. First of all, open the sequence, click on File, Export, Media, and the shortcut is Ctrl+N. Export settings window will open up. Now click on Format. You have to select here H.264. Click on Preset drop-down. Select High Quality 2160 4K. Now click on Export. That's how you will be able to export 4K video in Premiere Pro. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Tutorial River. See you in the next video.